Y'all, just want to do a walk around video of this JL that we just added some parts to, kind of give you a feel for what's on here. So first up, you have Poison Spider front bumper, worn Xeon 10S, so it's a synthetic winch, some Quake LED fender chop, so you have their bracket that goes underneath the front, kind of gives you your daytime running lights, your turn signals. Back flares were chopped. 40-inch Nitto trail grapplers, 17-inch XD bead locks, some Nemesis inner fender liners that we had to modify a little bit to fit with the Evo coilovers. So you can kind of see they have the Evo bolt-on coilovers, then some King bump stops, PSC hydro assist, synergy steering, Dana Ultimate 60 front and rear axles, the locking hub version in the front, full float in the rear, the Evo bomber sliders with the body armor, as an Evo engine and transmission skid plates, some real 1350 drive shafts, Evo long arms, same concept in the rear, King coilovers, Dana Ultimate 60, Poison Spider bumper and tire carrier with some rigid backup lights. But yeah, y'all, just want to get your video, kind of get you guys to see what it looks like with the 40s, the coilovers, and the long arm. All right, see you next video.